I feel like what you were talking about starts to lead straight into one of the first things recommended here, which is selecting the right platform. And so I guess it goes without saying Excel is not the right platform. But what are the considerations for the platform when you're talking about systematizing this source of truth?
Yeah, I think, first and foremost, there's definitely, especially with our customer base and the size and scale of their infrastructure, having a platform that is capable of modeling just the large amount of data that our clients have from, having many data centers, hundreds or thousands of remote branch offices, even down at the branch or campus type of location, tens or twenties of closets that may exist in those buildings full of network equipment. So being able to build that structure of what belongs
Yeah.
in the tooling of just site and location data and where assets live, obviously first and foremost is one of those. We're always making sure that devices are input into the source of truth. So if a client
Okay.
is deploying a new branch office or going through a technology refresh or whatever it may be, onboarding assets into the source of truth is generally an automated workflow as well. So having that API and that ability to integrate to other tools is extremely important.